In this video, I'll show you how to share screen with Gemini. At the moment, screen sharing with Gemini is done through Gemini Live in the Gemini mobile app. Google's official help page explains that when you share your screen, Gemini can help you based on what is currently visible on your device, and it shares your full screen, not just one app or one section. To start, open the Gemini mobile app on your phone and begin a live conversation. Once you are on the live screen, look for the option called Turn on Screen Sharing. Tap it, then follow the on-screen instructions from Android to allow screen sharing. Google says this is one of the main ways to start sharing your screen with Gemini Live. There is also another way to do it. Google says that outside the Gemini app, you can launch Gemini by saying, "Hey Google," or opening it by touch, then tap Share Screen with Live and continue from there. On some devices, this option may not appear every time if Google shows another shortcut that it thinks is more useful in that moment. Once screen sharing starts, anything visible on your screen can be used as context for the conversation. That means you can open a website, settings page, app, product page, or document, and then ask Gemini questions about what you are looking at. Since Google says the entire screen is shared, be careful not to show passwords, payment details, private messages, or other sensitive information while screen sharing is active. When you want to stop sharing, go back to the Gemini app and tap Turn off screen sharing. You can also swipe down from the top of your screen and tap Stop sharing on the screen sharing notification card. Google also notes that screen sharing automatically stops if Gemini Live is put on hold or if you lock your phone, and it does not restart by itself when you return. You have to turn it on again manually. One more thing to know is that this feature is primarily documented by Google for Android in the Gemini mobile app help. Google has also announced broader Gemini Live visual features, including screen sharing, but availability can still depend on your device, app version, and rollout status. So if you do not see the option yet, update the Gemini app and Google app and check whether Gemini Live features have reached your device. So the full process is simple. Open Gemini Live, tap Turn on Screen Sharing, allow the permission, ask Gemini about what is on your screen, and then stop sharing when you are done. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.